In the previous video, we learned about what an angle is, how two lines, rays or line segments meet at a common point to form an angle. Now, in this video, we are going to understand the difference between adjacent angles and non-adjacent angles. Let's start with the definition of adjacent angles. A pair of angles that share a common vertex and a common side and they lie next to each other without overlapping are called adjacent angles. Here, we focus on three very important words: common vertex, common side, without overlapping. These three conditions must be satisfied for angles to be adjacent. Now let's understand this with the help of a diagram. In the following diagram, we see three angles: angle COB, angle BOA, and angle COA. If we compare angle COB and angle BOA, first, both angles share the common vertex, which is point O. Second, they share a common side, which is OB. And most importantly, angle COB and angle BOA do not overlapping, and these two angles are also next to each other. That means one angle is covering or lying inside another angle. So we can say, angle COB and angle BOA are adjacent angles. But what happens if angles share a common vertex and a common side, yet they overlap? Let's see that with the help of a diagram. In this diagram, again we see the same three angles: angle COB, angle COA, and angle BOA. Now, if we compare angle COA with angle COB or angle BOA, it share a common vertex O and common sides also. For example, angle COA share common side OC with angle COB and OA with angle BOA. But there is a key difference. These angles are overlapping. Here, angle COA is larger and it overlaps angle COB and angle BOA. So even though they share a common vertex and side, they are not adjacent. They are called non-adjacent angles or overlapping angles. Now let's look at the key differences between adjacent and non-adjacent angles. First, position. Adjacent angles are side by side, while non-adjacent angles are not side by side. Next, common vertex. Adjacent angles always share a common vertex, but non-adjacent angles may or may not share the same vertex. Now, common arm. Adjacent angles always have a common arm, but in non-adjacent angles, a common arm is only sometimes present. Now the most important point, overlapping. Adjacent angles do not overlap at all, but non-adjacent angles can either overlap or be completely separate. Now let's understand with examples. For adjacent angles, think of two slices of pizza placed side by side, or the hands of a clock. The space between them forms adjacent angles. For non-adjacent angles, consider overlapping angles like angle COA over angle COB or angle BOA. Here, one angle lies over another, which makes them non-adjacent. So the key idea to remember is simple. Adjacent angles are always side by side without overlapping, while non-adjacent angles are not side by side and may overlap. This is the main difference between the two concepts. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more easy and interesting math lessons.